What just ran across up there? Oh, a deer just ran across at the 900. Glad we wasn't shooting. Today is range day for you diehard steel ass. We're heading to Clinton House Plantation. Shoot on their 1,000-yard range today. Be the first time. Well, I went there and joined and checked it all out. Took a look at the range, see how it was laid out, and there's only one place going to the 1,000-yard range that I couldn't take the Harley. It's a steep 40% downgrade, nothing but gravel, so I'd never get up out of there. I know I wouldn't, so I won't be able to take the Harley past the office, unfortunately. This place is amazing too. I don't know how many acres it is, but I think they have wild game. I know they have pheasant, quail hunts you can go on, you know, guided of course, where they put, I don't know if they put the birds out or if they're already out, but yeah, I know they have quail hunts. I'm pretty sure they have deer hunts. They've got, you can shoot skeet, numerous pistol ranges, a couple 300-yard ranges for rifle. The 1,000-yard range you can shoot, I think the 1,000-yard range is actually the mile range also. You can shoot up to a mile, which is 1,760 yards, but you're not allowed to shoot that far unless, you know, it's that special mile day they have, or you're probably with one of the owners. But you can shoot, I think the 1,000-yard range starts at 400 yards, and you can shoot from 4, 5, 6 all the way up to 1,000. So that's where we're going today. We're going to shoot on that. See if we can ding some steel to 1,000. How's this view for you guys? With I think I'm centered about right here, so you get the view up above and some of the dash here. So yeah, I think I've got it about right. We're going to the range today, and I'm taking you steel asses with me. See if I can't set up a camera on the 1,000-yard steel. I'll have to walk it. I know you can't drive anything to it. I'll have to rent a golf cart at the office, because like I was saying, I can't get the Harley down in that last 50 yards. That's the only thing that's stopping me. That was dangerous. Guy had a pipe hanging out the back of his truck into the halfway into this lane here. This is the small town of Belton, and I mean, it's a small town, but it's pretty cool looking. A lot of shade trees, a lot of restaurants. I like these small towns like this. Right here I need to go right. Whoever said you couldn't haul a rifle and all your shooting range stuff on a Harley, right? Bumpy. Should be there at the Clinton House Plantation here in the next 20 minutes or so. Get there and rent a golf cart. I think golf cart's only 12 bucks to rent all day if you want it all day. I got this range from 11 to 3 just to give me enough time, because I know I'm going to have to walk. I'm going to walk down range and I brought a can of spray paint to be able to spray paint all the metal targets, because I like them clean. You know, of course, you don't want them clean, so when you're shooting at that distance, you can see that splatter mark on it if it's clean. The only problem is I don't have a spotter, so I'm gonna have to do my best to get on target. Once I'm on, I should be okay. We'll see. Just need to get on it. Probably shoot at 500 first, get on that, so then I know where I'm at 1,000. So, but I'm also going to put a camera up down there at the steel. Okay, we're here. We're at the Clinton House Plantation. Just got a golf cart heading to the 1,000-yard range. Right there is the skeet range. See, had Harley make it through there. They've got 3 or 4 ponds on this property. You've got a pistol bay. That's a pistol bay right there. Nice little pond. I'd like to have a buzz bait on that. There's another pistol bay. This is the 1,000-yard range right here. That's the platform to shoot off of. Let's get unloaded. Take a video. Got nice shooting benches. That's downrange. The lady said there was a 4-wheeler here I could take down there. I need to spray paint the targets, but it's not here. Somebody must be using it today. That's a shame, because I'm going to have to walk it. Okay, let's prepare to walk that thing. Daggone it. I hear a 4-wheeler. Come on back here with that 4-wheeler. Need to walk down range and cover the targets, and look what I'm into. Doggone it, boy. Wonder how deep that is. I guess I got to go. Well, got wet feet now. But let's go. We're through it now. Soaking to the bone. Well, I tell you, it's windy. Look at the flags. I'm glad they got flags up right there. Okay, let's go back and see if we can get some action. So much for somebody leaving me a 4-wheeler down here. Walk that range. My goodness, there's a creek you got to cross too. But let's get started shooting here and see if we can hit that, get on that 1,000-yard target. I'm sweating. That's a long walk up there. It's a shame that 4-wheeler's not down here. That girl in the office told me they leave a 4-wheeler down here to walk up there to clean the targets up. She didn't tell me there's a creek you got to cross, but there's no 4-wheeler, so I had to walk it, burn it up. We're going to shoot the 500 first and get on it and make sure we got our dope set for 5, and then we'll go out to 1,000 with the suppressor. This suppressor is so quiet I don't need ear earphones, but I am going to put them on because I think it's required. Let's come up 8. And I tell you, the wind is going swirling all different ways. Right now the 500 doesn't show any wind. If it does, it's straight at me. So let's take a shot here and see where we're at. I can't tell where that one went. Got a breeze coming from the left. Left 1. There's a ding. I'm on the 500 now at least. I'm laying dead center. And I came up 10 inches. It looked like I was shooting 10 inches low. Went just underneath the bottom of it the first shot. Second shot I aimed dead center, 12 o'clock, very top of the target. So now I came up 10 inches, 2 MOA, and let's see where it hits now. Yeah, it's going to group a little bit low and right of center. So, okay, there. But I'm going to go after the 1,000 now and see what I can do. By the way, that's where the camera's at. So you'll see if it's either I can get on it or it's a fail. For 1,000 yards, I'm already up 10, but I need to come up 20, a total of 26. I'm going to come up 28 clicks, 28 MOA. And take a shot, see where I'm coming from. The flag at the 1,000, what just ran across up there? Oh, a deer just ran across at the 900. Glad we wasn't shooting